Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a quick, easy, very popular Indian vegetarian snack recipe called Palak Paneer Hot Dog. It's also a great starter and kids recipe. Let's heat some oil in a pot. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds to the oil, followed by 3 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a plate of baby spinach leaves to the pot and saute for 2 minutes to let the spinach leaves wilt. Add salt according to your taste and mix it in. Then add 1.5 teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon each cumin, coriander, chili flakes and half teaspoon of garam masala powder into the pot. Fry the spinach with the powders for a minute and then add a bowl of crushed homemade paneer, around 200 grams, into the pot. Give it a good stir and fry it with all the other ingredients. Then add some sliced cherry tomatoes to the pot. Crush them as you fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. And our palak paneer stuffing is ready. Here I have 2 hot dog buns. Let's slice them open with a bread knife. Add a bit of butter on to the bread like I'm doing here. Then add the palak paneer stuffing into the buns like I'm showing you here. Pack it in nicely. Add a bit of cheese if you so wish. And then close the buns. Arrange them on a plate with some potato crisps and serve. This is a lovely vegetarian starter or snack recipe that is really popular with kids and tastes great. Give my recipe of palak paneer hot dogs a try and enjoy.